Hello and welcome back to Living and Investing in Cleveland. My name is Sophie Boland. I am a local realtor and investor. As we embark in 2022, which I do believe will be a good year for our local market, I would like to take a moment to see what happened in 2021 and compare it to the last 5 years. So this report is specific to the greater Cleveland area, specifically Cuyahoga County. I could have done all of greater Cleveland, if I can say it today, including Lake counties and Geauga County, but I decided just to focus on the city of Cleveland and those suburbs that are closest to it. So let's look at the number of active listings versus sale prices. The chart begins on January 1st, 2017 and ends on December 31st, 2021. As you can see, as the number of available properties decreased, their prices increased. This is classic supply and demand. So what happened in 2021? Green represents the sale price, while the blue represents the number of active listings. As you can see, the prices rose and so did the number of active listings through the spring and summer months. This seasonality is to be expected. However, prices held steady even though the number of homes for sale dropped significantly in the fall. I will be interested to see what January's data will show. So let's go back and take another look at the last 5 years. This time, let's compare the number of active listings versus the number of sold listings. As you can see, the number of properties for sale has continued to drop while the number of homes sold has held steady. The humps and valleys are the seasonal peaks, with spring and summer being the highs and fall and winter being the lows. This tells me that more people are interested in buying than selling. There could be several factors contributing to this, but two big ones are investors and millennials. Millennials are currently the largest population. There are 72 million of them, and they are at the age to buy their first home, and they have the money to do it. So this chart shows the active versus sold just in 2021. What is really striking right now is that the number of active listings has had a sharp downturn, but the number of sales is holding steady. Why is this important? Think about it. If we continue to sell at the same rate, but new listings drop, we're going to have fewer and fewer homes on the market. This also means that now is a fantastic time to list a property, as there will be little competition on the market. Now let's look at the last 5 years again. This time, the average days on market and how it relates to the ratio between the sales and list prices. In 2017, the average home sold at 93.5% of the asking price. As the real estate market continued to get tighter, started selling faster and faster, and the ratio improved. By 2021, homes were selling on average between 99 and 100% of the asking price, which means that if you listened to your realtor, then you likely got full price offers. Currently, in 2021, our days on market were at a low of 40 days during the peak of the season. They ended the year at around 50 days. The blue flat line shows that from April to October, what we call the season, sellers got what they were asking for their home. I want to go back to this chart for 2021 because I think it's important. This big drop represents a drop in new listings, which means opportunity if you are a seller. I do not recommend waiting until the spring when everyone lists. Seize this opportunity if you are planning on selling. Of course, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. And as always, remember to drop your comments below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.